Hi, I am Thompson Cook. You are watching our Tube Education channel. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Okay, have you ever wondered how something as simple as taking a bath could lead to a major scientific discovery? Well, that's exactly what happened to the ancient Greek mathematician and inventor, Archimedes. His relaxing bath led to the principle that explains why objects float or sink. The story begins with King Hero II of Syracuse, who suspected that his golden crown wasn't made of pure gold. He tasked Archimedes with figuring out if the goldsmith had cheated him without damaging the crown. Frustrated, Archimedes took a break and stepped into his bathtub. As he got in, he noticed water overflowing. That's when it hit him. An object submerged in water displaces an amount of water equal to its volume. Excited by his discovery, Archimedes ran through the streets of Syracuse shouting, "Eureka! Eureka!" Component placement, which means "I have found it" in Greek. His discovery became known as Archimedes' Principle, which states, an object immersed in a fluid experiences an upward buoyant force equal to the weight of the fluid it displaces. This explains why some objects float while others sink. If the weight of the displaced water is more than the object's weight, it floats. If it's less, it sinks. Archimedes tested the king's crown by comparing how much water it displaced versus a pure gold bar of the same weight. If the crown had silver mixed in, it would displace more water because silver is less dense than gold. Sure enough, the test revealed the crown wasn't pure gold. The goldsmith had cheated the king, and Archimedes' discovery exposed the truth. Today, Archimedes' principle is used in designing ships, submarines, and even hot air balloons. All thanks to a simple bath. Next time you take a bath, remember, you might just have your own eureka moment.